Welcome back to Auto Buzz TV, your trusted hub for the latest auto news, reviews, and updates from around the globe. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a ride with us. Today, we're diving into something truly unique, the *2025 Bajaj Qute Camper. Yes, you heard that right. Bajaj has taken its ultra-compact quadricycle and given it a camper twist. It's an unconventional move, but one that's turning heads for all the right reasons. The Bajaj Qute has always been known for its affordability, compact footprint, and fuel efficiency. But the 2025 Qute Camper takes those same principles and adds a whole new layer of adventure and practicality. Designed for short road trips, budget travel, and minimalist getaways, the Qute Camper is perfect for solo travelers or couples who want to explore without breaking the bank. Under the hood, the Qute Camper sticks with the familiar 216cc, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled DTSI engine. It delivers about 13 horsepower and a top speed of around 70 km per hour. It's not going to win any races, but it's more than capable of cruising through city streets or rural roads with ease. And with a mileage of over 30 km per liter, it remains one of the most fuel-efficient options in its category. What really sets this camper version apart is its cleverly modified interior. The rear seats are either removed or foldable, making way for a compact sleeping setup. You get a fold-out bed that can comfortably fit one adult, or two, if you're cozy. There's also a modular storage area for essentials, and some versions are even expected to include a small portable cooking station and battery-powered lighting. The exterior sees some thoughtful additions too. A roof rack is available for carrying extra gear, and an optional pop-up tent can extend sleeping capacity. Lightweight materials keep the total weight low, ensuring the Qute's performance and mileage aren't drastically affected. Bajaj has also prioritized sustainability. The Qute Camper emits significantly less CO2 compared to traditional campers or even small hatchbacks, making it a solid choice for eco-conscious travelers. Now, let's be clear, this isn't a luxury RV. It's basic, it's compact, and it's minimalistic. But that's also its charm. It's ideal for budget backpackers, digital nomads, or young couples looking to experience van life without the cost or space of a full-sized camper. In India, pricing is expected to start just under 3 lakh Indian rupees, depending on customization. And if demand picks up, we could see more features and models rolling out for export markets as well. So, is the 2025 Bajaj Qute Camper the future of affordable travel? Maybe. It's certainly one of the most intriguing and practical micro-campers we've seen so far. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow travel and auto enthusiasts. And of course, subscribe to Auto Buzz TV for more unique vehicle reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next drive.